Good evening, gang. This is Tom here. Some shipments came in today, and I wasn't expecting them today. They were supposed to come in on Monday, but they came in early. So instead of trying to troubleshoot all these signals, I decided to work on those two things because some of those signals are driving me crazy, but I'm going to figure them out eventually. And so what I got first in the mail was these two alpha meters from DCC Concepts. This came from IronPlanet Hobbies. I used my human code thanks to Heath from Humanity Junction. Got a little bit off on them. And they're alpha meter. And they can read DC, AC, and DCC. So they're pretty cool. And so I made a board because I was going to put them on the fascia here like that, but they're bigger than that. That's a 1x2, but it's actually 1 3/8 wide or something. It's not even 2 inches, so couldn't do that. So I just took a piece of board and cut it to size, and then notched out the hole and then slid them right in and screwed them down. And they have nice clips for the terminals screws. You just screw your wire on, and you can clip them right onto the board in the back. Pretty simple setup. I just took the track wire from the EB1s there, made it go in one end, and then the other end went out to the bus line, which is the track. Well, it's not track in this case, these are accessory bus lines. So I got them, and now they're both reading 14 volts, and they're using about 0.55 amps and 5.7 amps. It fluctuates. And so all that plus zone 1, those are the two separate zones there I set up with those two PB105s I showed you guys the other night. And they have, that would have been like 1 amp there, and then 2 or 3 amps that's being used on the other system. So I was well over 5 amps. So this is now split up real nice, hardly using anything now, and with all the light it's on. And I guess if all the signals were green, which is never going to happen, the light would draw power, but the LEDs are drawing power too, so you know that's just it. So we got those installed. I had to paint that, so it took a while. Then UPS came and dropped off my 2 push buttons I needed. So now I have those 2 EB1s set up with their addresses, like I had done with my other EB1s that I showed you how I did them. So that's them there. So now that's all done, and maybe I'll start working on the signals again. I got 2 signals that are driving me crazy. I don't know why they're not changing. I got to look at the JMRI and look at the signals, because they're all for turnouts that I'm having problem with. The signals for the main lines are working fine. I ran these two trains today for a couple hours, and the signals changed as they went through their blocks. I ran this guy for a couple hours, and the signals changed. Like finally, this here one should be red. See if it is. Yes, it is. It's red. So that guy, because that train is sitting there. All the rest of them are green, like that one there, and that guy. So they're all, they're all working now. So he's only occupying one block, and which is that whole loop there. So, that's all working. So I'm going to see what I can do about getting these other ones working and go from there. But I just wanted to show you guys my DC Concepts alpha meter, and now I won't run into that problem ever again. I can keep an eye on it by looking at those meters, and that's it. So everybody have a great day and enjoy the rest of the weekend, and we'll all see you in the next video. This is Tom, and everybody take care.